Hello guys, right here I have the iPhone 12. I just finished unboxing it. It is in a pristine condition. I added my screen protector. It has a bunch of new features actually. You could find them at the Apple website down below. I mean, it has a whole list of the great new features. It's definitely better than the iPhone X and the iPhone XR. I really like it. This is the black color. It looks really neat, but it still is pretty similar to the older generations of iPhone, like the iPhone X, iPhone 11. But I would definitely recommend this phone. It looks pretty cool, and it works great. It's pretty fast, but it's pretty thick too. You can see that right here. It looks pretty thick. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys, and please subscribe.